Hello everyone, today I am going to show you our Stunnair model, our flagship model which we have launched by Havells and Lloyd. So this comes with India's first designer AC, right? The name called Stunnair, which is having sliding fascia. If we switch on the AC, the slide will go up like I will switch on now. Now you can see in the picture, in the video, it is showing slider. Yeah. Plus, it is having very good feature called mood lighting. So, according to customer can change the light of the AC. So, in store, we can give a demo by pressing the button, like display button, 4 times we have to press. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the color of ambilighting will get changed. It is having 7 colors. It will change. Whichever customer likes, they can keep the color according to interior, according to mood. Plus, it is having very total AI smart technology, right? So, if customer doesn't want the cooling on the body, right? Airflow. कुछ customer को पसंद है, कुछ customer को नहीं. So, we have a very good technology. If you press AI button, so AC will follow you. AC will miss you. If you want cool air on your, so if you press the AI button, so cooling comes directly on you. If you don't want direct cool air on your body, so press once again AI, then it will miss you. So that is total AI smart. Plus, it is having very good feature called direct voice command. For this feature, no internet, no Wi-Fi, no mobile phone, no remote control. With your voice, you can operate your AC like we can operate now. You have to give a command, hello Lloyd, turn off. So now the AC is off. So you can give a command. You can on, you can off, you can increase the temperature, you can reduce the temperature, you can change the mode also. Cool mode, heat mode. Hello Lloyd, turn off. Now the AC is off. Plus, if you want to switch on, you can switch on the AC with the voice command, with the remote control, or it is having built-in Wi-Fi also. With your mobile phone, you can control the AC, entire AC seat like a remote control. You can change the lighting, you can operate from anywhere. If you are in home, you can operate. If you are out of the home, if you are coming back from office to home, so before coming, you can switch on the AC, right? That is also available. Plus, it is having built-in air purifier, IAQ, indoor air quality, which shows the color according to purification. It will change the color according to purification. It will purify the room air, plus it will show you room quality in display. Plus in your mobile phone you can see the particles available in the room available, which is shown in mobile application called Havells One. Plus it is having cools even at 60 degree. So if outside there is a temperature of 60, then also AC will work. So this is our flagship model called Stunnair.